Hello guys and welcome to Crypto Dealers. My name is Andy and today we are going to talk about what is going on with Bitcoin and Ethereum. First of all guys, congrats if you followed my trade call here. When we broke out of this pennant, I can show you my trades over here on Phemex. And as you can see, my Bitcoin trade is 526% in a profit and my Ethereum trade is 273% in a profit, which is of course amazing. Congrats if you followed me. And if you want to trade, you will always get the highest available bonuses if you use my links down in the description, guys. Okay, so let me show you guys. Actually, let me show you the bigger picture here, because we broke down out of this rising channel here, and actually I already said we can enter a long position here because we are going to break out of this bullish reversal pattern. Okay, this was at about $20,500, and actually if you follow me, if you've been a follower for a longer time, I already called for a long trade here. Okay, and in the last couple of days I will also show you a screenshot when I called for this trade here. As you can see here, we broke out of this pennant, and I can show you. Let's zoom in a little bit. I called for this trade, and congrats if you followed me, then you have a nice profit now, guys. Okay, so the question now is, how high can we go? As you can see here, the breakout target of this pennant is actually about $28,000, and as of right now we have a price of right now it is 27,440. So of course it is never wrong to take profits, guys. Okay, because this is realized profit and you already have it in your pocket, so to say. Yeah, as you can see here, we have not a lot of resistance here, so you could potentially take some profits now and keep, let's say, I don't know, 50% or 80% running, but you can of course take some profits now. And the next level of resistance major would be like about $29,500. There's not much holding us back to reach this level here. And let me also show you guys what's going on with Ethereum, because let me show you, we broke below this, and I also called for a long trade here. Congrats if you followed me. And we have been, this support line, this white support line has been going on for quite a long time. Let me show you. It goes back actually until it started at the end of last year. Okay, and you can see here we broke down, but now we managed to break up again, and now this previous support acts as resistance and the other way around, but now this is our support again. And as you can see here, we reached this price level of 1,800, let's say $18 around, and we are trading around this range. Here are the next resistance levels, but it looks pretty bullish right now, guys. Okay, so once again, congrats if you followed me with these trades, because then you have a nice profit right now, guys. And as always, it's never wrong to take some profits. Okay guys, so if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, put them down in the comments, and see you.